Hey everyone, welcome back to our Crypto Essentials series. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer USDT from your Metamask wallet to Binance in 2025. With crypto evolving rapidly, knowing how to move your assets securely is more important than ever. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, I'll walk you through each step clearly and efficiently. First, let's cover the prerequisites. Make sure you have Metamask installed as a browser extension and that it contains some USDT. You'll also need a verified Binance account. If you don't have USDT in Metamask, you might need to acquire it first through a swap or deposit. Step 1. Open your Metamask wallet and select the account holding your USDT. Double-check that USDT is visible in your assets. If not, add it by going to the Add Token option and searching for USDT on the Ethereum network. Step 2. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the Wallet section. Click on Deposit next to USDT. Choose the correct network, typically ERC20 for Metamask transfers, to ensure compatibility. Step 3. Copy the deposit address provided by Binance. This is your destination address, so handle it with care to avoid any mistakes. Step 4. Switch back to Metamask. Click on Send. Paste the Binance address into the recipient field, select USDT from your assets, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Take a moment to review the transaction details, including any gas fees, which can vary based on network congestion. Step 5. Hit Next and confirm the transaction in Metamask. You'll need to approve it with your wallet password or biometric verification. Once sent, the transaction will process on the blockchain, which might take a few minutes. After completion, head back to Binance and refresh your wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. Remember, always verify addresses and networks to prevent losses. Crypto transfers are irreversible. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your USDT. This process keeps your assets moving smoothly in 2025's crypto world. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.